So if you are here to find out what is happening with price action of Bitcoin and also what kind of scenario to expect next, then you are at the right place, because today in this video, I have prepared some very interesting scenarios that could be playing out here in the mid short term and also in the upcoming days. So if you don't want to miss that, then do watch this video till the end, and also let's try to reach at least 2,000 likes in today's video. So starting here in a daily time frame, we are aware right now the price of Bitcoin is testing the support from this monthly CPI line or the monthly pivot ranges, because we are aware this monthly pivot ranges, which is going to be one of the strongest line of support that ranges from 39,000 to 40,000 range to get broken. Because if the support from this monthly CPI line is going to get broken, then as you can see, for this month, for this February month, the first lower price target is lying around 31,500, 31,600 area. So that's why, to avoid this, we want the price of Bitcoin at any cost to stay between these pivot ranges. And also, since this is a daily time frame, what I personally want the price of Bitcoin to do is to come across this top CPI line, which is lying around 40,400 area, because I want to see whether the support around this 40,000 is strong enough or not. Because if we are going to stay between this CPI line at the top and the bottom CPI line, since this here is the bottom CPI line, we don't want the price to hover or consolidate around this line, because this will show sign of weakness before price again start breaking it to the downside. So that's why I personally want the price of Bitcoin today to close the daily above this top CPI line, which is lying around 40,400 price area. And why this actually matters a lot, because if you look at this price movement without the CPI line in a bit different way, let me show you this right angle broadening wedge. Because according to the right angle broadening wedge, when the price of Bitcoin yesterday was finding support at this lower line area, right, we were aware this lower line was actually trying to hold the price, which was around 40,000 range. We went even lower, and now as you can see, the price could be re-entering inside this right angle broadening wedge. So that's why if the price of Bitcoin finds a support above this 40,400 range, then we know the daily we could be again hovering between this upper line area and the lower line from this right angle broadening wedge. And that is actually a sign that 40,000 support is a strong line of support, because getting rejection here and failing to find a proper support could be just a temporary retest from this previous support line, which is going to be acting as a resistance, and price is going to continue this rally here to the downside. And also guys, also beside this right angle broadening wedge and the CPI resistance, what could be also unfolding is this one scenario, which is very important. If you look at the price movement here by simply using this rising trend line, you can see guys, the price of Bitcoin was finding support at this rising trend line. But now, since the price is below this rising trend line, the same rising trend line which previously acted as a support could be acting as a resistance. So that is also one reason why I showed you with this example, the price of Bitcoin must find a proper support above this 40,400 range, because if we do that, then we could be re-entering this right angle broadening wedge, and also we will be above the top CPI line, and that will give us some sort of a confirmation that this 40,000 is a strong line of support for Bitcoin. Because we know if we get a rejection from this trend line and show weakness in this manner, price heading towards the downside, then we are aware this is also another bearish scenario that will play out here in right angle broadening wedge and also from this monthly CPI line. So that's why guys, for us, what is most important is this daily candle and whether it is going to close above this 40,400 or not, because we want the price also to clearly flip this resistance into support, clearly enter the right angle broadening wedge, and also stay above the top of the CPI line. And now beside this one here, why it actually matters to stay above this 40,000 and also hold the support from this CPI line, because failing to hold the support from the CPI line, as I've already said you, we could be heading towards the monthly S1 line, which is flashing a price target around 31,500, 31,600, but also this Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve. Because according to this Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve, we have seen in the past Bitcoin price action, actually we have also talked about it many times in my videos, whenever the price of Bitcoin in a downtrend has found support at this blue line, which is the 14.59 Fibonacci level, found relief rally, and this relief rally getting rejection around this 23.61 Fibonacci line. After that, we got gravitated towards the bottom of the Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve. Similar scenario also unfolded here in 2019. In a downtrend, we got support from this 14.59 Fibonacci line, got a relief rally, and this relief rally ended exactly after reaching around the 23.61%. And what happened after that? We got gravitated towards the bottom of the channel. And now this here is also very similar, where the price got support from this 14.59 Fibonacci level, saw relief rally, and this relief rally also getting rejection exactly from this 23.61 Fibonacci line. And in the past Bitcoin price action, when this exact price movement has unfolded, we got gravitated towards the bottom of the Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve, and this bottom could be between this 31,000 to 35,000 according to this Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve. So now you can see why this support around this monthly CPI area is so important, because if we lose that, then according to the monthly CPI S1 target could be retested, right? And also now according to this Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve, the lower price target could make a lot of sense. So that's why all eyes are around this 40,000 range. And now if we look at this price movement, not just only through the Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve scenario or the CPI. So before switching into other chart, to all the traders watching this video right now, I have a giveaway around $10,000 at the end of the month to anyone who sign up using my ref link here. Either it's a Bybit or Femex, and deposit at least $300 worth of crypto. Doesn't matter if it's Bitcoin, Ethereum or USDT. If you do that, then at the end of the month, I am going to choose maybe 5 random winner and provide them with $2,000 each, or a 2 random winner, one from Femex, one from Bybit, right? And provide them $5,000 each. So if you want to take advantage of this opportunity, the link is also provided in the description down below. So now let's switch the chart. When using the bump and run reversal top, according to the bump and run reversal top, the price of Bitcoin has already reached the target line, the first target line, which is around 35,000. We even saw a really nice bounce after that. But now, if this is going to continue here to the downside, then according to this bump and run reversal top, the second target is still open, and this second target is the length from this height till the rising trend line, and this exact target is the target from the bump and run reversal top. And if this is going to play out, then we are aware maybe we will be retesting the bottom of this Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve and also the monthly S1 line from this CPI indicator, because in that case we will be retesting the final target from this bump and run reversal top. As you can see, I am not creating any kind of fear. I am showing you exactly what I see right now unfolding in price action of Bitcoin. So for us right now, all eyes are going to be around this CPI line, which is going to be one of the strongest line of support for Bitcoin, and this line must hold the price at any cost. So these are some of the interesting scenario I wanted to share with you in today's video. If you enjoyed my work, then please hit the like button, and also for those individual watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye guys.